Welcome to Trekking It, everybody. Well, check this out. It's another year, another usage needed.
Old trusty Dusty does it again. The generator saved us from the ice storm.
The grass is completely encased by ice.
I know it's extremely destructive, but man, look how beautiful
All this ice can be. Just totally encased these needles on this pine tree. Even the branch, completely encased by ice. Just bizarre.
So destructive, but yet beautiful. I just wanted to show you how crazy that ice is. Pretty neat, pretty beautiful. Well, that's it for now.